Hello, my name is Illiana and I'm here to show you how to make overnight oats, but I'm also here to tell you why I think overnight oats is a very beneficial breakfast to eat. To begin with, did you guys know that oats is a very nutritious grain to be eating when wanting to get healthy? According to a novel called Zero vs. Foods written by Helen Salvora, oats help reduce risk of heart disease, reduce cholesterol, and they reduce blood glucose. So all in all, oats are a very healthy grain to consume. To begin with, I'm going to show you what you will be needing. You're going to be needing chia seeds, almond milk, some oats, blueberries, and Greek yogurt. You will also be needing a small to medium-sized bowl. This is a 1-serving recipe. You will be needing a measurement cups. I do use the 1 cup measurement cup. I use a 1/4 cup, and I also use a tablespoon. Other than that, you will also be needing a spoon to mix it all together at the end. So first, you're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. So when applying the Greek yogurt inside the bowl, you gotta make sure that it's spreaded throughout the entire bowl. You shake it around a little bit, like so. After applying the 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, you're going to be needing 1/2 cup of oats. I do use the rolled oats because it is a lot easier to eat, and they are smaller than the regular oats. So you also have to put it thoroughly through the bowl, like so. And as of now, after the 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt and 1/2 cup of oats, it should be looking something like this. There should be more oats than Greek yogurt. Okay, after that, you add in the chia seeds. Speaking of chia seeds is also a very nutritious and important seed to be eating when wanting to get healthy. According to the article Chia Rediscovering a Forgotten Crop written by the University of Arizona Press, it is known that chia seeds offer high omega-3 fatty acids, have low sodium, are very high in protein and fiber, and there's much more than that. Chia seeds are a very healthy seed to be consuming. So you're gonna need 1 tablespoon, also across the entire bowl. After the chia seeds, you're going to be needing 1/2 cup of almond milk. You can use the same measuring cup. Pour that in thoroughly throughout the bowl. And then you're going to be needing 1/2 cup of blueberries. 1/2 cup, and all throughout. So as of now, the overnight oats should be looking like a little bit like raw oatmeal in a way. But as soon as all of these ingredients are in, you gotta start mixing. So this is a blueberry overnight oats. And you should just mix it very up and down, so that all the ingredients are mixing well, like the chia seeds and the oats. And then as soon as you see that it is mixed properly, then all you have to do is put the lid on and put right into the fridge. The thing about this recipe is that if it's left in the fridge for 4 hours or more, it can be ready to eat. But since this is my breakfast, I will be leaving in the oats overnight, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. So after the oats have been in the fridge all night, your oats are supposed to be looking like this, very mushy, very oatmeal-like. So that is how you make overnight oats. And one last thing that I wanted to say before we finish this video. Why I think this breakfast is very beneficial is because according to a blog called Eat This Not This, overnight oats provide a very healthy and easy and accessible breakfast. Not only that, it also is a breakfast that provides a lot of nutrients, and it is also a very good and healthy breakfast. Okay, thank you, and that is how you make overnight oats.